programs like find a area of circle pi r square. Okay, finding a area of circle pi r square. Hypotenuse, so square root. Okay, square root of a plus b, a square plus b square, square root, that is hypotenuse. Like for every thing there is a logic behind it. So even for a finding whether it is even number or a odd number. So don't think I'm going very back to the question. Okay, simple. Try to make you understand that is okay. It's not silly like you're asked very good question. That is. So, do you want to find whether it is even number or a odd number kind of stuff? How to know even number, odd number? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like these are the numbers. Which is even? These are the even numbers. Okay, these are the even numbers. What is odd numbers? This is odd numbers. Only the space difference. If you observe, every even number will be divisible by number 2. If you divide a even number, you divide any even number by 2, you'll get an answer. No zeros extra. And important is the remainder is 0. Means same. If you put it like this, the remainder is 0. Okay, for example, you put a 134. Okay, percentage 2. Whatever the original result it is, remainder is always 0. So this is the one point. It is a even number. Next, even numbers are not a prime numbers. Even number cannot be a prime number except 2. Except 2. Okay, 2 is a prime number except 2. Nothing is a nothing. No even number is prime number. So again, you have to go with the prime number logic. Of course, here it is one more is there. Na? If you divide anything, any number by 2, for example, it is 23. Okay, your result is 1. Meaning is this is odd number. This part is odd number. This is even number. Even for a prime number, so we have like this. Any number, you take any numbers, any number, any specific number or a series of numbers. Okay, any number. For example, you have taken 37. You have to try to divide from 0. We should not do it. So then we should not do it with a 0. You should not do it with a 1. And try from 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Try up to 36. Try to divide 37 from 2 to 36. Understand? You have taken a number 37 and try to divide with a 2 to 36. For example, you have taken 143. 143. I don't know. So it is even number, odd number kind of stuff. I think it is sorry. It is an odd number, but it is not a prime number. Not a prime number. Okay. So if I divide with a 0, of course 0 value. So no, we should not do it. You should also not with the 2. Try with the 2. 2 by 3. So okay, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. Try to divide like a 6, by 7, by 8, by 9, by 10, by 11. I think it is. It will divide by 11. That's why I am trying to tell an example. I checked with the 13, so that's why I'm trying. 11, 11. This is 3. This is 3. 3. Okay. So when it is found, okay, this is can able to divide this number. 11 can able to divide 143. 11 can able to divide 143. Then it is not a prime number. Immediately that result should become. So how much we have to do it? Even 11 is not done. You have to do it up to 142. Okay. So this is how to find a prime numbers. I am trying to say behind the logic. Okay. So if you get a doubt, like you got a program, but you don't know what is the logic behind it, so then you can also try it. Okay. So go to Google, try not for a program. Only thing is, okay, try for a, not for a program. So I'm like a leap year, you don't know. Okay, logic you don't understand. Fibonacci series, still I don't understand that one properly. Okay, now we got a program, we will try. Leap year or not? There is an year. For example, it is a 2020. This is an year. Is it a leap year or not leap year? What is the meaning of leap year? Leap year comes every 4 years, right? Every 4 years. Normally, in a leap year, the Feb month, normal month, normally in Feb, there is 28 last. In a leap year, we have 29. There is no February 30, right? Feb 30 is not there. This is in leap year. This is in a non-leap years. Right, guys? Am I right or not? Wrong?
Yes, sir.
Very. Okay. So he is given a condition also. So where it is? It is a given a condition. Okay. So it should be divided by hundreds. It should be divided by 100 and divided by 400. Then it is called as a leap year. So you taken this 2020. Okay. It's a leap year or not leap year. So we have to check it. First of all, divide it by 100. You got a result. Not this result. I am telling it is reminder must be 0. Okay. So what you have to do it, take the year and divide it by 100. This is must be 0, and also try to divide with 400. That is must be 0. If both are satisfied, then we can say it is leap year, or at least one satisfaction. Try to divide by 4 and okay, sorry, this also the result must be 0, and try to divide with 100. Okay, so look at here, it is no, not like this. It is showing it is try to divide as a 0 and not equal, like it should not be divided by 100. It should not divide, not equal. Okay, it should not divide. Try to divide with 100, but it is should not be divided. Okay, so second test. So either it must cast, it meet this category 400 and 100. Both should be divided. You should be 100 by divided by 100 as well as a 400, or you should be divided by 4 and not divided by 100. Then it is a leap year. Okay. Otherwise, it's not a leap year. Okay. It's not a leap year. So this is the logic behind in the kind of stuff. So we'll try to implement with the logic. So now you know the logic, so you don't require any program also. Okay. So I'm putting year equal to, I'm taking as an input as an integer enter year. Okay, so like this. So I am putting a hashtag. This is called a comment. Okay, so what is the purpose of this one? Find
Leap year.
a year. Find find year is leap year or not, right? So this is given here is leap year or not. So first of all, you enter a year. Now first condition, what is the condition? If you divide a year, so that year percentage 400 equal to 0, and logical operator year percentage 100 equal to 0. Then this is print year is leap year. Okay, so this is the advantage of IDE. Next one is two conditions. Two conditions are there. Else if it should divide it by 4, but not by 100.
100.
So it should be divided by 4. The remainder is must be 0. And spaces, no problem. Okay. So and if you divide it by 100, should not be 0. Okay, should not be 0. This is else if. Again, print here is leap year. Okay, next. Else, if these two conditions are not met, print year is not leap year. Okay, so we're done. So we'll take it. So take in year 2020. So it's not a leap year because I didn't given properly. Okay, 2020 is a leap year. Okay, so 4 years, 2024 leap year. Current year 2020. Sorry, what is current year? 2022, right? 2022, not a leap year. So in this year, Feb calendar don't have 29. Okay, March, go to Feb. 28 is last, not 29. Okay, 28 is last. So this year is not leap year. So what is the condition? Make sure that it should be divided by 400 and 100 or 4 and not by 100. It is little reverse. Okay, it should not be divided. If it is divided by 4, and it should not be divided by 100. If it is divided by 400, it should be divided by 100. So that is the thing. The example is given very clearly, but what he done in the print statement also, he given something like this. Look at here. So format kind of stuff, format kind of stuff. Then it is gives more confusion. Okay, so this is the point of where it is. I'll put it here. Okay, so why always there? Or if you want, I will put there. It is easy. Manisha, okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go to Fibonacci series also. Even I have a lot of confusion around the Fibonacci series generally. So take example. No, not this one. So I copied it from the Python website, right? So I copied from there. So look at here. I will explain this Fibonacci series first. What I'm missing here. Okay, so I will remove these things. It's not a big one also. Actually, someone answered correctly. So the output, take an output and understand from it. Yeah, here it is. So she got an output. You got an output already. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of stuff. So this is the original output. Okay. So look at here. Okay, it's a Fibonacci series is like this. The first one is 0. The next one is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8,
13.
13. This is 21. Okay, how much it is? 30, 34.
34.
34. This is 55. Okay, like this. Every time it adds. Okay, to add to this one, you will get this one. These two will be added, and you will get this one. Okay. No. Mistake. These two are added. We are getting this one. These two are added. We are getting this one. These two will added. We will get this one. If these two are added, this we will get this one. These two are added. We will get this one. Like this, we are getting. Okay. So like that we are adding. So 34 plus 55, 89.
89.
Okay, now it is challenged. 55 plus 89. So then it is 130, 144. Correct?
Yes.
144. You got the output correct only. Okay. 144. Look at this. 89, 54, 34, 21, 144, 223, like that. So the question and he given 1000. Even 1000 means write a Fibonacci series till you meet a 1000. You can see it is 987. Okay. So it's not crossing that one. Otherwise, it is 610 plus 987. That is the limit. Okay. You can pass anything 1000, 2000, 10,000 also. It will be there. Okay. So this is a first understanding of Fibonacci series. This even and odd, I removed it. I think you got the point. Even. So you put a number. You divide any number with the 2. The result is
0.
0. Okay. You divide any number with the 2. Reminder. Sorry, not result. Reminder is it. Okay. So then it is called a odd number. Or you can take this one as a not equal to 0. Reminder is not equal to 0. This is equal to 0 symbol. Okay, even displaying numbers also there, like you know, some questions will be there in a interviews and all, like you are attending for a programming kind of stuff, like a display like this: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Okay, or like this: 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. This is like a different ways are there. You know, I quit C programming, so the questions I didn't remember. So I've seen sometimes these questions: 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this type of sequences also there. Okay, so for everything there is a logic, so find out the logics also. Some are okay, some are not at all difficult. Okay, that is okay. So this is my very good program. How to save this kind of stuff? So good now. So that is this is a very useful one. The next one is Fibonacci series. Copy paste only. So nothing is so is defined not directly. You can without defining function also we can do it. Okay, without defining function also we can do it. Okay, so we can easily do it. That is only giving a input only. Okay, you don't need to define the function also. Then be starting 0 comma 1. Okay, now I put a print a and b. For example, just only this. So take 0 and 1. Next we want a what we want. A is like that, B is like that. Logic is we want A, not B here. So we want to print A, not B here. Okay, not B. Okay, we want to print A only, not a B. Okay, so whatever it is, what is Fibonacci series? The A is 0, B is 1. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 means A plus B. So A is A plus B. You have to add second for this number you want it. We need a plus B. Okay, so the B is required an increment. Okay, so like what we can say. Yeah. So that's A value will be changed. A B and 0 plus 1 is A plus B. A is A plus B. And what about a B? Uh, B is equal to A. Okay, B is equal to A.
B.
Okay, look at here. So we'll try again. We got a 0, 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. A plus B. Right? 1. Now, again, next one, we have to add these two things. So this is B. This is A.
2.
Okay, we have to add 2 like this. We have to get a 2. For that one, we have to add these two things. Okay, so for that one, A plus E, and we have to make B as a like this. Now look at here. This is A. This is B. Again, we have to make like that one. A plus A. This is A value. This is A value. Okay, that's it. That's it only. So don't think. Okay, so that's it. This is A value because of by adding these two things. Next one. Okay. Now again we have to add these two things. So this the value is A and make this one as a B. Then you will get a 3. Okay. This is the logic, I think. Okay. So we'll see once again. So what is done while n is less than Okay, this is equal to, so print A. So to get a straight line, we have to give like this, end is equal to quotations. It is nothing more. All it is, they use a while loop. Okay. A is less than n means how much you want a printout. Okay, like a n value is 100 kind of stuff is there. Okay, so I given a n value is like 100. Okay, so up to a is equal to 100, it will be there like a print a. Okay, so a value. So meaning of this end equal to kind of stuff. Okay, the meaning is side by side like this. You'll get output like this. Okay, you don't need to print again also. So this is the formula. So whatever it is, a comma. So we'll try run. We'll get error. Yes, it is. We got it. So here it is. Give the space like this. So it is. You got it. So direct Fibonacci series without a definition and that. Remaining is decorations. So remaining all decorations. Instead of that one function, you can write like this also. Okay, this is the formula like you are adding. So first it is like this is a value, b value. So a plus b. This is a plus b. Okay, now this is a plus b is equal to a means this is a. Then again this is become a means then you have to invert it. B become a. B become a. You are not printing b, otherwise you'll get a b values also. You can clearly understanding of b. Into b. Okay. It's a series in a different ways. Okay, so you can put a end equal to 1 space 1 for this one also. So because of a is equal to b, that's why it is printing double times. That side is printing double time. Okay, that's a print method, guys. It's there is a print method is there. Okay, so okay, I will show you that print method also. Print. Am I recording or not recording? I think I'm not recording. Oh, I'm recording. Very good. For example, you want to print something like I have a x is equal to some list is there. Okay, some list. Easy numbers I'm putting for understanding. Okay, so I want to print x. Okay, I want to print x in a iteration mode for I in x, then print x, print I, right? So this is iteration mode I am printing. So how it is printing? Straight, right? Straight. Here it is comma. I said no already. There is a different way of using a print statement is also there. See now it is printing in a straight line. So 55, 66, like side by side it is printing. So you have to put a /n. Syntax error. Yeah, this point I think you understand. That is Fibonacci series. Okay. Yeah. So that is also simple. I given another program that is also simple. I'm removing this to show you that print statement only, so without any confusion. Okay, like this. If I don't give this one, what happen? It will print like this. Okay, if I give something in this, like a star, see, it is stars are printing. Okay, another one is there, that is called as separators. Also you can give SCP type. Okay, it's not working, so and or separator we have to use it. Okay, end is working. Say SCP. If you want to use SCP, I will show you. This is printing straight only, but can print in a different manner also. So prints SCP kind of stuff. Format is there. So how to print in a different formats. That is also we can do it. Why this my SCP is not working? Because depends upon our data also it is there. It's Python. Date of birth. Okay, so Python is the best. Okay, so each word is having a one space. So I didn't find any difference in the output. Actually, the separator will reduce this part also. Nothing. Okay, leave it. I don't. We can try also. You can try also. What is this? Okay. So sometimes we'll get someone. Okay, guys. What you do? Also, you can try different programs like how to print a stars. So multiple one by one star in a separate window. So that is also useful here in this kind of stuff. Okay. Object string, nothing kind of stuff is there. So here it is. It is printing straight. Okay. I just why I'm not able to recollect the things. Usually I do that sep kind of stuff. It is there in my world also. In a world also I use it. Yeah, whatever it is, you can try that kind of star kind of stuff. Why import SCP is there? Don't require. Sorry, the star kind of stuff, right? While a is less than 10, a is equal to 0. Okay. Print a. Normally you print a, then a is plus equal to 0. Sorry, 1. So what it will print? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So each time you have to print like a star like this. Instead of A, I'm printing star here. So star, star, star. 10 stars it is printing. Okay. You can look at this is output. 10 stars are it is printing. Same stars you can put it in a next step. First star printed and print the next 2 stars, next 3 stars, next 4 stars. Like you have to change it. Okay. So that is like a while statement. Exactly, I am not able to recollect it, the program. Okay. I hope you understand your doubt, 2 things. Okay, leap year and Fibonacci series, logic, prime numbers logic. Any doubts, guys? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, any doubts?